This is the Alphacool 16mm Aurora RGB LED ring. And what this is designed to do is to go over a 16mm piece of tubing and illuminate the actual tubing. The installation for one of these is fairly simple. When you're putting your HardTube piece into your computer, you simply insert the tube inside of the LED ring. Now, the LED strip that is inside sometimes can get finicky to get the tube in there. So sometimes you will have to push forward on the cable to ensure that the LED strip is seated correctly all the way inside of the ring. Now, when you put your tube in, you twist a little bit, also looking at the inner diameter of the actual ring and the RGB strip that's inside, because you don't necessarily want to force it on there if it's going to scratch up your tubing. Position the LED ring wherever you'd like along the top, middle, or bottom of the tube to illuminate the liquid or the tube itself. The Alphacool Aurora 16mm RGB ring is also compatible with your Aurora Touch RGB controller. Simply adding the RGB to the RGB and providing power will allow you to adjust this RGB ring to your satisfaction.